All right, so hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through what is honestly the easiest and simplest way to sign up for Binance, which I'm sure you've heard is the world's largest crypto exchange. So real quick, just go ahead and click the link below the video to head straight over to the Binance sign up screen. Now, here's the really cool part. If you sign up using that link, you're actually going to get a 20% discount on your fees, and basically another 20% payback will be applied at the same time. Pretty sweet deal, right? First off, let's get that account created. Like I mentioned, clicking the link below takes you right to the Binance sign up page. From there, you can just proceed with signing up using your email or your phone number, really, whichever one you prefer. Just enter the email you want to use and be sure to check that box to agree to the terms down below. Go ahead and click Continue at the bottom. Then basically a 6-digit verification code is going to be sent to your email or phone. Just check for it and type it right in. Next up, let's set your password. Just keep in mind that the password has to be at least 8 characters long, have at least one number, and of course at least one uppercase letter. And just like that, your account creation is all done. Oh, and one more thing. If that inviter code screen pops up, just make sure to enter the code there before you officially finish the sign up. Next, let's move on and actually do the KYC identity verification. Now, you definitely have to complete KYC if you want to deposit, withdraw, or trade on Binance. Since it involves a face scan, it's actually a lot easier to just continue on your mobile phone. So go ahead and install and launch the Binance app. Log in with the account you just made, and it should take you directly to that verification screen. Basically, just confirm your nationality and choose whichever ID you want to use. Honestly, whether you pick an ID card, a driver's license, or a passport, it usually gets processed within 5 minutes. So just go with whatever is most convenient for you. Choose Take Pictures and click Continue. Go ahead and take a clear picture of the front and back of your ID. Just make sure it stays within the camera frame. Then, simply align your face within that oval frame and follow the instructions. Once you finish the scan, just confirm your personal info, your name, birthday, and address, and select your occupation. The review takes about 5 minutes, and you can check if it's all done on your profile screen. Finally, let's set up your two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Come back to your PC screen and click on Security under the Account tab in the left menu. Go ahead and click Manage right next to the Authenticator app. Click Enable, and then another verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Once you enter that code, a QR code window is going to appear. Just leave that there for a second, and let's download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once that's all installed, tap Open and click that Get Started button. For security reasons, I'd suggest clicking Use without signing in, and then just tap Add a code. Click Scan a QR code. Now, if you scan that code on your PC screen, a 6-digit Binance OTP will be generated. Jump back over to Binance and click Next, enter those 6 digits from the app and click Submit. And there you go. You'll see that your Google OTP is successfully activated, so that pretty much concludes the tutorial. If you found this video at all helpful, please feel free to leave a like. Thanks for watching, guys.